let's look at inheritance, California, select your state and your county, or you can leave this as all and it will bring up all of them. But let's go ahead and select Fresno, see what's available. All right. So basically, in order to add in a county here, there's two different types of inherited lead packages that we offer. The first package that we offer is, in this case, what we call monthly lead drops. In other words, you're going to get a file monthly, usually at the beginning of the new month, and a monthly subscription. And I'm sorry, I cut off the word subscription here. The second is daily drops. So we're actually going to send you an email if we find new leads for inheritance for California, for Fresno County here. And those are called daily drops. Now they do cost a little bit more just because we have staff that are going to be monitoring the leads 24/7 then, as well as our server time for processing it and bringing in the leads and so forth. Now, says daily subscription. It's actually a monthly subscription. So you have daily leads with a monthly subscription. And I have to get that fixed there. But those are the two type of packages that we offer. Again, monthly leads. In other words, you're going to get a file monthly with all the leads and a monthly subscription, or you're going to get daily leads along with a daily subscription. Now, what's the benefit of daily subscriptions? Basically, you're going to get them before the monthly people, number one. But you may be mailing and it doesn't really matter. But let's say you're cold calling or texting or whatever's legal and available in your state. You can call those people right after you get that lead. And I can tell you this is the best service, bar none, throughout the country for our inherited leads. So once that lead becomes available, whether in the court system or wherever our sources are for this particular lead type, it's being sent to you. All right. Thanks a lot and have a great day.